Hi my friends, we have many types of different material for the blister lead film, the carry film, and now you can see there are many samples on this desk, and this one is dialysis paper, usually for medical supplies, and this one is the aluminum foil, is usually for the tablets, capsules, etc. And this one is about the aluminum PE composite film, and there are different features of this aluminum PE composite film. Is suitable for liquid, jam, similar items. This kind of items packing. It's not easy to break. It's very strong and will be more stable during the shipping. It is not easy to link out. It's better for the food packing. But this kind is we use for testing the machine. It's easy to break like this. When this product display on the supermarket, we bring it, but it is easy to break by the nails, and I think it's not suitable for the stock but like this kind material is aluminum foil. It is only for machine testing, used for food or used for the tablet packing, because it will be when we buy this kind of medical medicines, it's always in the box, so we are no worry that it will break. Look, it is easy to break. If it is easy to break, it will not suitable for long store like this. And this is also, look, it is easy to break. That is the difference, easy to break. This one, it's strong. So this strong material is usually used for the food packing, jam packing, or butter packing, similar items, liquid, something. And this is only for our machine testing or tablet or capsule packing. It is to pop out like you said, but it's not usually used in food. For this food, we always use this kind, and there will be a edge like this. It's not sealed. You can see here has sealed, but this area not sealed. So we can open here, and to peel it. To peel it like this. Open to tear it. Easy to tear, easy to peel. Is this mini? Not easy to break. It's strong. This kind usually for the food.